So I am right now at my hotel room and I am going to show you some of the presents that I have received earlier. Wow. Wow. Earlier with the Empire team, we already did some of the unboxing. So right now, I am going to show you some of the gifts that we unboxed. So etong una, shark. So this is from Leia. Lovely went out, lovely came back, Daddy Shark na pala, 5555. Ang lovely namin, Instant Shark ng Pinas. Welcome back to the Philippines. Open this to see your present from Leia. From my children. Ayan, so this gift is from Grabe ang Effort. From Jane. Hi, baby Jane. So another shark one. And this is a shirt. Thank you, baby. Next is from my baby Tina. So, meron tayong flower. This one is so cute. Also, a ball pen. I'm going to use this. And, unbox na natin. Ang sweet. Thank you, baby Tina. From Pop Mart. Hello. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano siya. 3, 2, 1. Ang cute! Grabe! Thank you, baby Tina! So, may letter din. Hello to Daddy Shark. Welcome back. Sana magustuhan mo. And gamitin niyo po ang gift ko. Ako po mismo gumawa ng ballpen. And my fuzzy wire flower. Mag-enjoy din po sana kayo sa pag-open ng mga blind box. Yung Pop Mart zodiac sign mo, Pisces yon, ha? I love you always, Daddy Shark. From ABC Christina. Thank you, baby Tina. Love you more. Baka abot to ng ilang oras. Tignan natin kasi ang dami pang gifts sa likod. But I promise we will open it one by one. My mahal, Zaya. Thank you. Barbie, ang cute. Thank you. Syempre, of course, my favorite, the letter. Another from my children. Muchi. This one is from Res from GC1. Okay, open na natin. Ko. And syempre, again, my letter. Thank you, baby. This gift is from Inzi Tan to Muche. Welcome back, Chelsea. Welcome back to the Philippines. I hope you enjoy your vacation. Stay safe, pretty. God bless you. And I'm so, so proud of you. So, merong mga purple stuff. My Oreo. And again, another purple stuff. And I'm cute. Thank you, baby. Okay, let's open this. Sana may letter inside. Pangit! Pag wala ka. Kinabahan ako dun, Mi. From SA, isuot mo na to. Magtatampo na ako sa'yo. Okay, sige. I love you and proud kami sa'yo. Thank you, baby. Tignan natin kung ano to. Ay! Ang cute! Promise, I'm gonna wear this. Or Abyang from Dan. Nako, ano kaya to? This one is kind of heavy. So let's see. Ang cute. Cute. Sabi na pajama again. Oh. I hope there's a letter inside. Okay, I'm going to check it later. But again, thank you.